Chica, Chica, you happy? Chica, you happy we moving? Say yeah, I'm happy. Run, Chica, run. Run, Chica, run. Huh? Yep, bring that on over. It's a little messy right now. The kids, they so happy. We got a little mess. But I got my favorite kitchen, huh? I can't hear you. What you mean, but stop? But you can't stop. When we gonna sleep at? So halfway put the bed up. How we gonna sleep?
I said I'm about to put the beds up. The mattress already.
And then stop.
You know what?
You said you was gonna put the beds up, then stop. Like you just gonna quit.
Until your time is.
Okay, but I got my little kitchen. I'm cleaning. I love me kitchen. Got my Chica. No, don't start tearing up the house. My favorite part of the house. I'm only gonna show y'all my two favorite parts. Ain't no sense. The pink bathroom and number one, the jacuzzi tub for me, my baby. Brooklyn, who wants to get in the jacuzzi? I gotta get y'all swimming stuff. Now y'all are in. Why you all in my grill? Why? She's gonna be in this mirror. Watch out before you smash your hand. And we definitely gonna have to change these things right here. I'm gonna call them things because I don't know what the heck that is. And that one. Definitely gonna have to get changed. Them curtains.
Oh man.
From 1921.
Look, you like them boys nice.
Nice for our grandparents.
Ain't bad for you.
They ain't bad, but it ain't for us either.
Yeah.
That's your taste. Nah, that's your taste. That's what you like. If I would have sent him by himself to pick out some curtains, that's what he would have picked out. Let me see you cook. Oh yeah, you look good in this kitchen, CJ. I got my baked chicken. You know I gotta show you what I'm cooking. Carrots, baked chicken, bell pepper, onion, and of course Brooklyn's favorite, her shrimp, and my favorite, the broccoli. And I think I'm going to do, I may do a little rice to go with it. Yep. So let me start.
Hey, you don't gotta get out the house, chicken. But you gotta get out this bed. See, you gotta go. You gotta go. Anybody on the pillow too? Get off my pillow. You gotta don't try to play sleep. They ain't working today. Bye. You gotta go in Brooklyn. You ain't sleep. You know, they gonna bite me and then go to sleep. That's the most fakest stuff ever. Come on, you gotta go.
She playing dead.
Yeah, yarn. There you go, your yarn. Bye. Yarn, you up now.
Chica, time to go night-night. Get out the bed.
You gotta close your eyes now. That's fake out.
Chica.
You gotta go. You gotta go.
Time to get up.
You gotta go. See you, Chica.
Chica.
Yeah, get out the bed.
Chica.
Bye.
Time to go.
See you. No, don't look.
Time to go.
See you.
Time to go to bed. Time to get out our bed.
After a while, crocodile. See you later. See you later, alligator. Gets the second.
Chica, it's time to get up the.
Come on.
Somebody come and look at this.
It's the movie.
Chica,
Look at this.
Out my bed.
get out the bed.
I gotta go.
call her as soon as she comes.
Chica.
Right, there you go. Go, Brooklyn.
Chica.
Bye.
Come on, Chica.
Bye. See you.
At the bed, it's time to go to bed.
Yeah, okay, bye-bye. See you. No,
Go in
bye.
there with Brooklyn and CJ.
Go ahead. See you.
Go in there with Brooklyn and CJ.
Bye.
Time to go night-night.
Bye. No, bye.
No, now under the cover.
Bye. Bye. Bye-bye. Okay, Brooklyn.
She not, I guess I'm sleeping on the couch.
Brooklyn.
I think I'm sleeping on the couch tonight because Chica ain't going nowhere. Chica,
Bye.
it's time to go to bed.
Bye. What's on? Bye.
No. Chica, it's time to go night-night. Stop licking me. Chica. Time to go night-night. Time to go night-night, Chica. No, you not asleep. You not asleep. You not asleep. That's a dang old shame.
Get that fake junk up on.